Hello folks, Wes here from B&B. Got a Range Rover today, in for the second time. Initially we had this in for an Alpine unit, but we couldn't get it to work. We could get the screen in and so forth, but this one had this type of gearbox and there was no data available. So we tried a load of things, that didn't work. We've now sourced another unit, found it, installed it, and it's all working perfectly. Main thing we wanted was Apple Carplay. It's got Apple and Android and wireless, all working well, maps, and we brought this older 11 plate back up to date, even though it's got the digital clocks. It's a very high spec Range Rover for its time, which is a crossover Range Rover. Rang all my mates, rang everyone I could, and no one had a solution. Physically we could do it, as I said, but now we've got this done. Anything interests you like this, give us a ring. Thank you very much.